Hey everybody, it's the Honey Badger here, and today we're going to be doing an EGR delete on the 720. Mine actually has a crack in it that I've tried to kind of patch part way. We didn't replace it or remove it when we did the header install on the 720. I'll leave you a link to that video as well. I'll do a pop-up for that. But we didn't do it at the time. It needs replaced and or just removed. I don't think it does much anyways, but mine leaking obviously isn't helping anything either. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out today. Not the world's most fun job. It's a pretty tight squeeze back there. Found great products for you to use to do this if you're looking for the right size plug. So links are down below in the description too. So let's just go ahead and look things over and get started.
Okay, so looking at the engine for the EGR delete, not the end of the world stuff, not overly difficult on paper, but we have obviously where it's got a disconnect from the header here. We'll get this undone. Kind of difficult, but not the end of the world. This part over here though, where you don't have a ton of room to get to these bolts on the bottom side and get these taken out. So that's the part that also takes a second, and then fishing it off. Luckily, I don't care if we really bend or break the EGR tube itself now, getting it off, so if that helps me get it out because it will be very tight, we'll do that. But more or less, we just need to take our time and we'll get things situated. So just kind of take your time when you're taking this stuff off. That's what I'm gonna do. Here's everything that came off. Nothing too crazy. We actually did use a saw to cut this off because I remembered that pulling it out simply just straight out the back, you run into the firewall. And the bolts that help hold in this side are so long, there's no way you're gonna clear it. So we just ended up cutting it. Then this part fell out easily, and then this was easily removable. So if you are truly not worried and you are not going to go in reverse and you have all the parts you need, yeah, I would slip something in that will fit. The saw fits just fine with a blade on it. Obviously be careful in there, but yeah, cut that off and get that thing out of there, because that's the easiest way to get it out, because it's very tight back there.
And there we go, we're all wrapped up here. Everything is taken care of. Wasn't too bad of a job, but it's just kind of a weird one. My piece that I cut out to block off the intake side, not the world's greatest work. I'll probably take that off and I'll make it a little bit better in the future, or find a plate maybe somebody makes if I need to, but for now it's blocking everything just fine. Don't need to worry about anything, and we're good to go. Like I said, links are available to you in the description if you need any of the parts to do this yourself. But other than that, just leave a like on the video and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss future content, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.